Hello students, myself Mr. Santosh Pawar welcomes to you in MJC Learning. In our last lecture, we had seen about the hormones of thyroid gland and their functions. Let's take a brief idea about it. Thyroid gland secretes total 3 hormones, T3, T4 and a thyrocalcitonin. This T4 hormone is nothing but called as a thyroxine hormone. It is the main metabolic hormone of the body. These T3 and T4 hormones are formed or are synthesized by the iodination of one type of amino acid called as a tyrosine. After the synthesis, they get stored within the follicle in the form of thyroglobulin with the help of a protein called as a globulin. If the food does not contain iodine, this T3 and T4 hormone cannot be synthesized. Then under the control of a TSH hormone, thyroglobulin gets breaks up and T3 and T4 hormones are released into the bloodstream. This is about the synthesis of a T3 and T4 hormones. The function of a thyroxine hormone, as I said, thyroxine hormone is nothing but your T4 hormone. It is the main metabolic hormone of the body. Why it is called as a main metabolic hormone of the body? Because it maintains the basal metabolic rate of the body. Function of a thyrocalcitonin, it prevents hypercalcemia in the blood by increasing calcium deposition in the bone and by decreasing calcium reabsorption from the urine. This is about our last lecture's content. Let's see our today's lecture's content. Our today lecture content is disorders of thyroid gland. That means today we will see disorders of thyroid gland. I repeat, disorders of a thyroid gland. There are three types of disorders of thyroid gland. One, hypothyroidism. Number two, hyperthyroidism, and number three, simple goiter. So disorders of thyroid gland, it is of a three type. One, hypothyroidism. Number two, hyperthyroidism, and number three, simple goiter. Start with number one, hypothyroidism. We will take in a brief. Number one, hypothyroidism. It is caused due to hyposecretion of a thyroxine hormone by the thyroid gland. That means if the thyroid gland secretes thyroxine in a very less amount, then it causes a hypothyroidism. Because of this hypothyroidism, it causes two types of disorder. One, cretinism in a childhood, and number two, myxedema in adults. Or you can say cretinism and the myxedema are the examples of hypothyroidism. I repeat, hypothyroidism, it is caused due to hyposecretion of thyroxine by the thyroid gland. There are two examples, cretinism in children and myxedema in adult. Number two, hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism, it is caused due to oversecretion of thyroxine by the thyroid gland. Means thyroid gland secretes excess amount of thyroxine, then the condition is called as a hyperthyroidism. This hyperthyroidism results in one type of a disorder which is called as a exothalamic goiter. I repeat, the example of a hyperthyroidism is a exothalamic goiter. Third one, simple goiter. Simple goiter, it is caused due to deficiency of iodine in a drinking water and a diet. So these are the three types of disorders of thyroid gland: hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, simple goiter. Examples of hypothyroidism: cretinism in children, myxedema in adult. Example of hyperthyroidism, that is exothalamic goiter. Now we will see the details of each disorder. Number one disorder, cretinism. Point number one, it is caused due to hypothyroidism. Means if the thyroid gland secretes less amount of thyroxine, then it causes cretinism. So it is caused due to hypothyroidism. Further, it is seen at the childhood stage. It is seen at the childhood stage. What are the symptoms of cretinism? The symptoms of cretinism are as follows. The major symptom is protruding tongue. The major symptom is protruding tongue. If you see this picture, in this picture, tongue is protruded out. So major symptom is protruding tongue. Number 2, mental retardation. Number 3, pigeon chest. Number 3, pigeon chest. Number 4, decrease in a body temperature, decrease in a cardiac output, decrease in a blood pressure, decrease in a heart rate, and decrease in a sugar level. That means all the parameters, they are in a decreasing level. So decrease in a BMR. I repeat, the cretinism, it is caused due to hypothyroidism. Means it is caused due to less secretion of a thyroxine by the thyroid gland. It is seen at the childhood stage. Symptoms, major symptom is protruding tongue. Other symptoms are mental retardation, pigeon chest, decrease in a body temperature, decrease in a cardiac output, decrease in a blood pressure, decrease in a heart rate, and decrease in a sugar level. Let's see about the myxedema. Myxedema, it is also caused due to hypothyroidism. Means if the thyroid gland secretes excess amount of, if the thyroid gland secretes less amount of thyroxine, then it causes a myxedema. I repeat, myxedema, it is an example of a hypothyroidism, or it is caused due to hypothyroidism. Means if the thyroid gland secretes less amount of thyroxine, then it causes a myxedema. Again, it is seen at the adult stage. I repeat, cretinism is seen at the childhood stage, myxedema is seen at the childhood stage. Symptoms of myxedema. The major symptoms are loss of memory. Number 2, falling of hairs. Number 3, thickening of the skin or the puffiness of the skin. Thickening of the skin or the puffiness of the skin. Fourth symptom, decrease in a BMR, decrease in a body temperature, decrease in a heart rate, decrease in a blood pressure, decrease in a cardiac output, decrease in a sugar level, but there is a one parameter, that is body weight, which is in a increased stage. So the symptoms of myxedema: loss of memory, falling of hairs, thickening of the skin or the puffiness of the skin, decrease in a BMR, decrease in a body temperature, decrease in a heart rate, decrease in a blood pressure, decrease in a cardiac output, decrease in a sugar level, but there is an increase in a body weight. Student, myxedema, it is also called as a Gould's diseases. It is also called as a Gould's diseases. Let's see about the exothalamic goiter. Exothalamic goiter, it is an example of a hyperthyroidism. That means if the thyroid gland secretes excess amount of thyroxine, then it results in the exothalamic goiter. So student, I repeat, exothalamic goiter is caused due to hyperthyroidism. It is the only example of a hyperthyroidism. It is also called as a Graves' disease. Symptoms of the exothalamic goiter: number 1, slight enlargement of thyroid gland, that is 3 times more than that of a normal size. Its a normal size is 5 into 3 centimeter, but in an exothalamic goiter patient there will be a slight enlargement of thyroid gland, that is 3 times more than that of a normal size. The major symptom is bulging of eyeball. Major symptom is bulging of eyeball. Why there is a bulging of eyeball? Because fats gets deposited within the eye socket, so there is a bulging of a eyeball. Refer the picture. In a picture, see, there is a bulging of eyeball due to deposition of a fat within the eye socket. Third symptoms, there is a increase in a BMR, increase in a body temperature, increase in a heart rate, increase in a blood pressure, increase in a cardiac output, but one factor, that is body weight, it is in a decreased condition. So this is about the exothalamic goiter. It is caused due to hyperthyroidism. The symptoms are slight enlargement of thyroid gland, 3 times more than that its normal size, bulging of eyeball due to deposition of fats within the eye socket, increase in a body temperature, increase in a heart rate, increase in a blood pressure, increase in a cardiac output, and there is a decrease in a body weight. Student, exothalamic goiter is also called as a Graves' disease. And the last disorder of a thyroid gland, which is called as a simple goiter. Simple goiter, it is caused due to deficiency of iodine in a drinking water and the diet. Means if the drinking water and the diet does not contain iodine, then there is a chance of getting simple goiter. So cause of simple goiter, it is caused due to deficiency of iodine in a drinking water and the diet. It is also called as an endemic goiter because it is very common in a hilly region people. Why it is common in a hilly region people? In hilly region people, there is a deficiency of iodine in a drinking water and the diet. So it is also called as an endemic goiter. Symptoms of a simple goiter. The major symptom is excessive enlargement of a thyroid gland 15 times more than that of a normal size. This is a major symptom of a simple goiter. Excessive enlargement of thyroid gland 15 times more than that of its normal size. And the remaining symptoms are decrease in a body weight, decrease in a body temperature, decrease in a heart rate, decrease in a blood pressure, decrease in a cardiac output, and decrease in a BMR. I repeat, decrease in a body temperature, decrease in a heart rate, decrease in a blood pressure, decrease in a cardiac output, and decrease in a BMR. This is about a simple goiter. So students, 3 types of disorders of thyroid gland. Hypothyroidism, examples are cretinism in a childhood stage, myxedema in a adult. Hyperthyroidism, the best example is a exothalamic goiter, and the third one is a simple goiter. So this is about our today's lecture. We will see in a next lecture the parathyroid gland, thymus gland, and the pancreas. Thank you so much.